Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You cannot be guided to obtain someone else's Google password. Instead, you'll follow legitimate account recovery. Start by visiting Google's account recovery flow and enter the account email. When prompted, supply any previously used passwords, a recovery phone or email, and the device and location you normally signed in from. Doing this quickly and from a familiar device increases success because Google uses those signals to verify ownership and trust the request as genuine. Once done, Google will present verification options. Choose the one you control. You'll receive a code via recovery email or SMS. Enter it promptly. If you previously saved backup codes or use an authenticator app, try those next. Make sure to answer any identity prompts exactly. Partial or fuzzy answers reduce the chance of recovery. If you lack access, try using a device and network you frequently used with the account because Google weighs that behavior heavily. If automated recovery does not work, use Google's account help to submit a support request and provide requested details like prior account activity, services used, and approximate creation date. Be ready to verify identity as instructed. Sometimes you'll need to wait 24 to 72 hours for review. After regaining access, or if recovery fails, secure related accounts by changing passwords and enabling two-step verification. Troubleshooting tip: check spam folders for codes and retry from a familiar device and network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.